We're taking a look at how prepared the state is to treat COVID-19 patients.
ABC 17's Connor Hirsch is live in their Jefferson City newsroom tonight. Connor, the director of the health department says Missouri is getting more of an antiviral drug used to combat COVID-19.
Deb, Lucas, we told you last week that the state received some of the experimental drug REMDESIVIR, but now the state is set to receive a lot more of that. And they say enough to treat every COVID-19 patient in the state of Missouri that's currently on a ventilator. 1,800 more vials of the drug REMDESIVIR is heading to Missouri, and Dr. Randall Williams said this will be enough to treat all 115 patients currently on ventilators.
Such a blessing that first that we have that few patients on ventilators now, and second, that we now have a medication that we will treat everybody this weekend who needs it.
Williams said every patient needs 6 to 11 vials of the drug, depending on the severity of their illness. The state received 400 vials earlier this week, but with this shipment coming in, they don't have to make choices about where it goes.
We don't have to prioritize. Everybody's going to get it. Which is just an amazing thing to say. But I just got off the phone with the Missouri Hospital Association. They put out a query who needed it, and we will have enough to give it to everybody.
The Missouri Hospital Association reported that 796 patients are currently hospitalized with COVID-19, with 115 or 14% using ventilators. Right now, the state has almost 2,000 ventilators available across the state out of the around 2,600 Missouri has altogether. And Highway Patrol troopers were waiting when the first shipment of that drug REMDESIVIR arrived in the state of Missouri to take it around to Missouri. And Williams said that that is going to be the same story. We're going to see highway troopers waiting either tomorrow or Saturday when that shipment comes in to take it to the places it needs to go. Reporting live in the Jefferson City newsroom, Connor Hirsch, ABC 17 News.
All right, thank you, Connor. MU Healthcare says it did receive some REMDESIVIR, but says it has not had to use it quite yet.
Here's a look at cases of COVID-19 throughout Missouri. Statewide, 20 people died overnight from complications related to COVID-19. It's one of the largest daily death increases for Missouri during the pandemic. There have now been at least 562 COVID-related deaths in Missouri. The state has more than 10,000 lab-confirmed cases out of at least 126,000 tests. Health officials in Boone County say they know of 5 active cases of COVID-19 out of 100 confirmed cases. Cole County says it only knows of 1 active case out of 54 confirmed. Saline County found 20 more cases of COVID-19 overnight. There are now